Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is a highlight video for my new coat pattern called Elodie. You can buy this pattern from my website or my store on Etsy. As a channel member, you will be able to watch a 34-minute extended version of this tutorial where I show you step by step how to make this coat and explain every single step in detail. This coat has invisible side pockets, a round collar, button-down fastening with matching self-made buttons, and a cuff tie strap. And of course, the coat is also fully lined with a satin fabric. I also have an additional video on how to cut out this pattern and prepare all the pieces before sewing that I think you'll find super helpful. Skill level for this pattern is from intermediate to advanced, but with an extended version of this video and showing all the steps, I believe that even a beginner would be able to make this coat.
Constant learning to flow. All the unknown lemons thrown may look different from what you've dreamed. Colors and contrast making it art. What if happy can be built? Tuning into all that's good. Lucky I learned what lemons can do. Lucky they let me here with you. Lucky. Ain't it funny? Thought I was lacking. Then I realized all is within. Are your thoughts friend or foe? It's your
If you would like
choice
to become a member
which way you
and have
go.
access to more videos about this pattern and others, I'll leave a link on the screen.
Happy can be built. Tuning into all that's good. Lucky I learned what lemons can do. Lucky they let me here with you.
And I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.